Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Product Review Top 5. Woodworking table planer machines are essential tools for any serious woodworker. They allow you to precisely and efficiently flatten and smooth rough lumber, creating smooth and even surfaces for your projects. With so many options available on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the best woodworking table planer machine for your needs. To help you make an informed decision, we have compiled a list of the top 5 woodworking table planer machines. These machines have been selected based on their performance, features, durability, and customer reviews. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a passionate hobbyist, these table planer machines are sure to enhance your woodworking experience and deliver outstanding results. Let's dive into the world of woodworking table planers and explore the top 5 options available today. Number 5. LZHZXY DW735 Woodworking Table Planer Machine. I recently had the opportunity to use the LZHZXY DW735 Woodworking Table Planer Machine, and I must say that I am thoroughly impressed with its performance. This bench planer offers a range of features and specifications that make it a valuable tool for any woodworking enthusiast or professional. One of the standout features of the DW735 is its powerful input power of 2000 W 2200 W China version, which ensures efficient and smooth planing of various types of wood. The machine operates at a voltage of 220 V 50 Hz, providing a reliable power supply for consistent performance. The build quality of this planer is excellent, and it arrived in perfect condition, brand new. The sturdy construction inspires confidence in its durability and longevity. The manual provided with the machine is available in both Chinese and English, making it accessible to a wider audience. The DW735 offers a maximum planing width of 330 mm, allowing for the smooth and precise planing of wider pieces of wood. Additionally, it boasts a maximum planing thickness of 152 mm, with a minimum thickness requirement of 5 mm. This wide range enables versatility in tackling various woodworking projects. Number 4. DEWALT DW735 Woodworking Table Planer Machine. As a member of a renovation team, I've had the pleasure of working with various woodworking tools, but the DEWALT DW735 Table Planer Machine has truly stood out from the rest. This remarkable piece of equipment has exceeded my expectations and has become an essential part of our woodworking projects. Here's why. The DW735 is a powerhouse when it comes to planing wood. With its AC-powered motor and rated voltage of 220 V, it effortlessly handles even the toughest of tasks. Whether we're working with hardwood or softwood, this machine consistently delivers outstanding results. It has become our go-to tool for achieving precise and smooth surfaces. One of the standout features of the DW735 is its customization options. The machine allows us to adjust the depth and width of the cut with remarkable accuracy. This level of control has greatly improved our efficiency, as we can easily fine-tune the planer to meet our specific project requirements. The ability to customize the planer machine has made it an invaluable asset to our team. Number 3. CJHZYG DW735 Woodworking Table Planer Machine. I recently purchased the CJHZYG DW735 Woodworking Table Planer Machine, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations in terms of performance and functionality. As an avid woodworker, I have used several planer machines before, but this particular model stands out for its power, precision, and ease of use. First and foremost, the DW735 boasts a robust 2000 W 2200 W input power, allowing it to handle even the toughest of woodworking tasks with ease. Whether you're working with hardwood or softwood, this planer effortlessly glides through the material, delivering consistent and clean cuts every time. The no-load speed of 10,000 RPM per M ensures swift and efficient planing, saving both time and effort. The maximum planing width of 330 mm is more than adequate for most woodworking projects, allowing me to work with a variety of board sizes. Additionally, the maximum planing thickness of 152 mm, with a minimum of 5 mm, provides the flexibility to handle both thinner and thicker materials, catering to a wide range of project requirements. Number 2. YESOK 1688 Woodworking Table Planer Machine. The YESOK 1688 Woodworking Table Planer Machine has become an indispensable tool in my woodworking workshop. With its impressive power, precise planing capabilities, and user-friendly features, it has significantly enhanced my woodworking projects. In this review, I will share my experience with this machine and discuss its notable features. The 1850W motor of the YESOK 1688 delivers outstanding power, allowing it to effortlessly handle various woodworking tasks. The machine's no-load speed of 8,500 Rmin ensures smooth and efficient operation, enabling quick and accurate planing. Whether I'm working with hardwood or softwood, this planer machine consistently delivers excellent results. One of the standout features of the YESOK 1688 is its ability to achieve precise planing results. The planing width of 305 mm provides ample space for accommodating larger workpieces, while the planing height range of 1 to 160 mm allows for versatile thickness adjustments. With the option to plane once between 0 to 3 mm, I have fine control over the thickness I want to achieve, ensuring precise and consistent results every time. Number 1. KOTUMY DW735 Woodworking Table Planer Machine. I recently had the opportunity to work with the KOTUMY DW735 Woodworking Table Planer Machine, and I must say it has exceeded my expectations. As an avid enthusiast, I have used several planer machines in the past, but the DW735 stands out for its exceptional performance, precision, and user-friendly features. In this review, I will share my experiences and highlight the key aspects that make this machine a worthwhile investment for any home woodworker. Equipped with a brushless motor, the DW735 delivers consistent and reliable power, making it suitable for a wide range of woodworking tasks. With a rated input power of 2000 W, it effortlessly handles both soft and hardwoods with ease. The no-load speed of 10,000 RPM ensures swift material removal, significantly reducing the time spent on planing projects. One of the standout features of the DW735 is its impressive planing capacity. The maximum planing width of 330 mm allows for processing wide boards, while the maximum planing depth of 3 mm ensures precise and uniform cuts. Additionally, the machine offers a maximum planing thickness of 152 mm, allowing for the resurfacing of thicker stock, and a minimum planing thickness of 5 mm for fine adjustments. These extensive ranges cater to various woodworking needs, making the DW735 a versatile tool. Thanks for watching this video.